Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Forum and you are watching FMA makeup tutorials. Today I have this beautiful Dare to Create Morphe palette. So we are going to do the first impression and review of this beautiful Morphe palette. And today I am going to create a beautiful look. I dare myself to create this gothic look right in front of you. And if you want to know how did I achieve this look, please keep on watching. The best thing about this palette is the transition shades are bigger than the other shades in the palette. So without further ado, let's get started. So I'll be priming my eyelid with the MAC Pro Concealer. Just taking it a little bit extra on the outer corner and just a little bit on the inner corner as well. And below my eyes also. I'm going to take a fluffy brush and dig in the color called Canvas, which is really close to the skin color, and I'll just set this entire base on my eyelid. So first I'm going to grab this fluffy brush. I am completely not aware what I'm going to do today. It's gonna be a mystery, so let's go with the flow. So the first shade which I am going to dig in is called Transitional. Generously tapping off all the excess and start to work on my crease. There is a fallout. So immediately after the Transitional, I am going to go in the shade called Expression. That's a very dark maroon shade. So I'm just going to pull out this entire eyeshadow because I want to create something very elongated. So now I'm going to go a little subtle and I'm going to use the shade called Passion and taking in the same brush over the Expression. I guess I've taken the name a little bit more seriously. I am trying to create something really amazing. I hope that it doesn't turn out to be a disaster. Now going completely in a different shade and I'm going to dig into Indigo, trying to blend the entire eyeshadow together. Now by taking the shade called Dare Me, I am going below my eye. Now I'm going to grab the same I look like a horrifying devil right now. But don't worry, everything will fall in its place. So I'm going to cut my lid. So now I'm going to take Bronze Chrome generously on a flat brush and trying not to open this eye and just placing this shade right on the concealer. And now by taking the color called Create, I am just going to end this entire cut crease with that color. And now wiping off the entire excess amount of eyeshadow which I have below my eye, and I'm not liking my under eyes, so I'll be removing that as well. So I'll be going in the same color called Expression and I am going to place it right below my eye. So I'll just take some concealer and place it right below my eye. And now I'll be taking the color Muse, that's a black color which I cannot resist. And again by taking the color Create on the same brush, I am going to smudge out my lower lash line. I'll just wiping off a little bit of my inner corner. Just going to create an extra line like so. And putting on Muse on the same line. Just going to place some artistic color. So now I'm just going to take some Video Star from Huda Beauty and then I'm just going to line it above the bronze color which I have used. So here I have the blue eyeliner from Krylon. It's a cake liner and I'll be lining my upper lash line with the same. Cannot open my eyes. And I want to fill my bottom lash line with the lip liner Sweetheart from Essence, that's a pink color, and I'll just highlight my brow bone with the same artistic color. So I'll be just finishing my eyebrows, the other eyes, the falsies and my base, and I will be right back. And for my lips, I'm going to use this tiny little NYX liquid lipstick. So the Video Star from Huda Beauty goes right in the center of my lip. Just so that I'm not satisfied, I'm applying a little bit of more dark purple over the outside. Just fixing everything with the makeup spray. So this is my final look, guys, with the Dare to Create Morphe palette, and I dared to create this beautiful look. I hope that you like it. If you like, do not forget to like, share and comment, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. So my final thoughts on this palette right here is that it has beautiful shades to play with. Yes, it has a little bit of fallout. This palette is a palette which gives you so many looks out of it. So yes, you can create wonders out of this palette, and simplest look as well. It has basics to extravagant to flamboyant to all the shades which you desire. So in all, this palette was a very good experience, and if you want to invest only in one, I would suggest you to buy this palette. It's worth taking a chance. So this was it for today. I'll see you in my next one.